I think I haven't thought about this, but regarding my batting, I always try to give the start, which I feel that if I give start in the one, if I have that intent, so that the other batters can, just play along the ground or probably take their time. So that's what our team plan always been. Like I have to express myself and take down the bowlers. So that was the plan all the time. Conditions, of course. I mean, as a batter, you have to keep those things in the mind that the ball is swinging a bit or it's seaming a bit. So I try to play a few shots which is, suitable for those wickets and pitches. So that's the plan always. नहीं सर, मुझे ऐसा लगता है फ़र्क क्या पड़ता है, जीतना इंपॉर्टेंट है, चाहे जिसकी जैसा स्टाइल है वो वैसा खेले. बट पिच में ऑब्वियसली मुझे ऐसा लगा थोड़ा आज हेल्प थी फास्ट बॉलर्स के लिए. और जैसे मैं बैटिंग भी कर रहा था, मुझे ये इतना पता था कि अगर यहाँ पे अच्छा स्टार्ट दे दिया मैंने तो पावर प्ले में मैच ख़त्म हो सकता है, और वैसे ही हुआ. और यही प्लान था बाकी बैटर्स का कि वो बस यहाँ से नॉट आउट या मैच ख़त्म करके आएंगे. तो काफ़ी सिंपल प्लान था उसके बाद. तो आई मीन यू कांट जस्ट रिलाई ऑन द विजन ऑफ वन डे प्रायर. आई गेस देयर इज़ ऑलवेज बीन हिस्ट्री इन द विंटर सीजन, स्पेशली नॉर्थ साइड, that it's gonna swing and seam a bit. And having that in mind, that obviously I had a few practice sessions before this as well, and I knew that it might can happen. And so I was practicing like that only with the net ballers and everyone, that it could seam a bit and it could swing a bit as well. But special mention to the ballers of our because the way they gave the start, I think the match was finished for like if I go through the innings of first bowling. I think that was the time that I realized that this, if it would have been a high scoring game, then obviously we could have also had that hard time. But credit goes to the bowlers. I think it's very important, but because World Cup is gonna be in winters as well, so it's gonna be a bit chilly in few areas. And I feel if you get this kind of start from the openers and from the new bowlers, because the way they were bowling, I think I was feeling at the slip that I'm gonna get all the balls. I think so obviously it gives a lot of confidence and give the boost up for all the bowlers and team environment as well. I think it's going to the right way. Arey sir, I tell you one thing straight away, that trust me, these two guys gonna win the matches in World Cup and before the series as well, because I've been playing them since so long, especially with Shuman. तो मुझे पता है कि वो कौन सा मैच कहाँ पे जिता सकता है, कौन सी कंडीशंस, और इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द टीम कोई भी हो. तो मुझे तो शुरू से उस पर बहुत भरोसा है, और आई होप कि सबको बहुत जल्दी दिख जाएगा और